Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. I am Harsh Kumar and this is the part 26 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. And in this part, we discuss more about functions. In the previous video, we have already discussed what are functions, how to declare them, what is the syntax, and how to use arguments or parameters. And in this video, we discuss what is return keyword, how to use it, and why to use it. So let's start the video. So what is return keyword? Return literally means to give it back. For example, if you give a shopkeeper $1, he or she will give you some food or items, whatever you want. So basically, in the function, we can enter the input through the parameters or arguments, and we can get the output with the help of return keyword. Let me explain. Let's take a code snippet from the previous video and now try to execute it. What is your name? Code Fusion. Open with live server. Input. Go to console. It is clearly visible. This string is an output of this function. You can say it, but we cannot manipulate console.log further. Let me explain to you. Let str is equal to the function console log. In this line, we are trying to save this console log in this str variable and try to perform concatenation with this string. Let's see, can we do it or not? Console.log str plus new line. Now let's see the result. You can see here we got undefined new line. So what this specific undefined means? It means this str variable is empty. So why str is empty? Because in this function the string is just printing on the console. We are not capturing or fetching it to use it further. Well, for this we need to use the return keyword. So for this we need to remove this console log and write return before the string. And now let's see the result. My name is Code Fusion and it perfectly concatenates with the new line. Let me give you another indicator. Go back to the previous state. If you hover the str, you will get str is void. Void means empty. But if we add return, this str becomes string because it is filled with the string. So that's the purpose of the return keyword. Why we use return keyword in the function. We will see some more examples for practice. Let's build a function for calculating average. Function name average parameter number 1 number 2. What is the formula of the average? num1 plus num2 is divided by 2. Now we can save this value. Let result num1 plus num2 divided by 2. Let's wrap them in the bracket. If you remember board mass, now return the value. Return result. Execute the function avg bracket 5, 9. And now let's see the result. You can see the computed value. We can also manipulate it easily like this. -3. So 7 minus 3, 4. And one more concept I need to share with you in this particular function average, which I forgot to explain in the previous video. Here are the parameters of the function, and the position of these parameters is crucial. The order of the parameters does matter. Let me explain. Let's copy it and paste it below. And now comment out the above code completely. Change the name div for divide. So we now want to create a function to divide two numbers, num1 and num2. So replace this plus sign for the divide sign and remove this /2. And now console log this value div bracket num1 is equal to 4, 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, or maybe 6. The result is 3. Now we just replace the variables place like this. Copy paste. Now you can see value is changed, so the position doesn't matter. Now the equation is like this. Number 2 is getting first input, so it is reading as 2 divided by 6, not 6 divided by 2. So 2 divided by 6 is 0.33333, so on. One more point, I nearly forgot it. There is only one rule for the return keyword. We can return only and only one value in the entire function. Let me copy this. Let's say in this function, instead of divide, you need to multiply the numbers also. So let me copy this. And get multiplied and result 1. So now let's try to return the other value. Return result 1. And now move the console.log below. And now let's check the console in the browser. You can see it is only now value 3, and the line is executed 29, which is this. So definitely it is executing this line. But why it is not executing the second return? That's because in the function the return keyword is the last encounter of the function. It's a breakpoint for the function. After the return, the function will ignore all the code below it I can tell you this is a garbage line. It should be a error, but you can see everything is fine. This is because you can read unreachable port detected. So this value is undetected. It's no use. So how can we return this value? We can use array or objects for this. Let me show you. Square bracket for the array, and now add result with comma, then result 1 in the second place. And now let's see what the console say. You can see 3 and 12. We are getting both the values perfectly. That's all for now. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to Code Fusion and hit the notification bell for the latest update on this channel. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. So you take care, bye bye. Stay safe, be healthy.